I've got everything set up. I've got my trays ready to go. Soil, I've got my seed starting mix. I've got my seeds all set. I've got some markers. What I do with my markers is I will get that to focus or not. I mark it. I'm going to plant more than one kind of tomato in this tray. I'm going to do a row of one, a row of another, and a row of the third. And then I've got them marked, the 3 different kinds. And I mark it top to bottom goes left to right. So Thessalonica, Alice Craig, Burbank. And that way I don't have to use more than one marker initially when I'm planting them. I also have my soil very moist. You don't want to water it really after you put these little tiny seedlings in, because they might go deeper than you want them to, or they might kind of come to the surface. You want to control the depth of the seeds. And little tiny seeds like that can easily be displaced, and you don't want that. I've also got my setup for the lighting for my seedlings. I've got just regular shop lights, one on each level, with just about no more than 4 inches from the surface of the tray. So here's my first kind of seed. These are from Annie's Heirloom Seeds. I like Annie's, but I like a lot of other kinds too. First I'm going to do is I'm going to just make the little holes. I'm going to put 3 seeds in each little hole. So that I should end up with at least 6 of each kind of plant, and I don't need more than that. But if I get more than that, great. If I don't, oh well. So I'm going to be very careful about my seed depth. This says that it should be, I don't know if you can see that. You're going to want to plant it 1/4 inch deep. So that's what I'm going to do, is 1/4 inch deep. I'm not going to measure it, but I'm going to kind of eyeball it. So let's get started with that. Okay, so I've got my soil nice and wet, so it should be easy to just kind of eyeball about 1/4 inch depth. I don't think I want it that close to the edge. So that'll be about the spacing of my little clusters. I'm going to light this up a little bit better. So you can see a little better. So I've got my 3. Come on, 3. 1, 2. Oops, get back over there. 3. 1, 2, and come here. 3. And then I've got 3 right there still waiting to go in. Get in. There. And we'll just gently surface cover it, not pat it down, just kind of move it in there. And then I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess it ended up with 5 little holes. So that's the Thessalonica. Next comes the Alice Craig. Now for the Burbank tomatoes. Since I've already got the water in, like I said, I'm not going to water them again because I don't want them to get waterlogged, and I don't want the seedlings to kind of wash away. So now on the other side, I'm going to do some more tomatoes, 3 other kinds, and then when I get those done, I'm going to put them up underneath the lamp and turn the lamp on. And there they are. I have plastic to hold in the moisture, kind of make a bit of a terrarium, little straws holding the plastic up off of the dirt to keep it from laying on there, and the lights are on and set on a timer so that they get plenty of light even when it's a cloudy day. So we'll see where this goes. Hopefully in a week or two I'll see lots of little seedlings.